Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, seeing hundreds of friends, but feeling completely and totally alone? Today, we're diving into a really big and kind of weird question. Is AI the answer to modern loneliness, or is it fundamentally changing what it even means to be a friend? Wow, this quote, it just hits you, right? It perfectly nails this massive contradiction we're all living in. We are absolutely drowning in notifications, DMs, and friend requests. But that real, deep sense of connection, it feels like it's just slipping right through our fingers. And this strange feeling actually has a name. It's called the digital paradox. It's basically this growing chasm between being constantly in touch online and feeling truly connected to people. Let's break down what that actually looks like in our day-to-day lives. Okay, just think about your phone for a second. The constant stream of pings and buzzes, it creates this illusion that we're always in the middle of a bustling social life, right? A huge volume of communication. But let's be honest. How many of those quick texts are about our real hopes, our fears, or what's actually going on inside? The number of messages we send is going way up, but the depth of those conversations seems to be heading in the opposite direction. And then you've got the whole world of social media, where the game is all about racking up the highest number of followers. We're building these enormous digital networks, this huge web of, well, kind of weak connections. But here's the real kicker. While our follower counts are skyrocketing, studies showed that the number of close friends we could actually call in a crisis is shrinking. We've essentially traded a small, tight circle for a massive audience. It's the perfect example of digital quantity over real human quality. So, into this landscape of loneliness, a powerful new player steps onto the scene, artificial intelligence. And it comes with this really, really tempting promise, the offer to be the perfect companion. I mean, just look at the sales pitch. On paper, an AI friend sounds kind of perfect, doesn't it? It's literally designed to fill all the gaps that messy human relationships sometimes have. It's there for you 24/7, it always pays attention, it never argues, and it remembers everything. You can totally see why, for someone feeling isolated, this would feel incredibly comforting. But that comfort leads us right to the heart of the matter, to the huge question we've got to ask. When a connection is this perfect, this calculated, is it actually genuine, or is it just incredibly convincing? And this really gets to the philosophical core of it all. See, real friendship is built on shared feelings, right? On that messy, beautiful, real emotional back and forth. So if one side of that partnership is a machine that can only pretend to have emotions, what does that do to the bond itself? Let's just break that down a bit. Real, genuine human empathy that's forged in the unpredictable chaos of just living life. It's complicated and it's real. Programmed empathy, on the other hand, is a super clean, calculated response based on data. It's a perfect simulation of being present, but there's nobody actually there. So let's put them side by side. On one hand, you have the messy, imperfect, but deeply real nature of human connection. And on the other, you have the flawless, always on, but ultimately artificial nature of the algorithm. These right here, these are the things that make a friendship real. You simply cannot program the spontaneous laugh you share over an old memory. You can't code the quiet comfort of a friend just sitting with you when you're down. And you can't fake the way you grow as a person from truly understanding someone else. This stuff is forged in life, not written in code. But hold on. This isn't just a simple humans good, machines bad story. It's actually way more nuanced than that. What if we're looking at this all wrong? What if AI isn't supposed to be a replacement for friendship, but maybe a tool that could actually enhance it? And here are some actual practical ways that could work. Imagine an AI that gives you a gentle nudge, like, hey, you haven't talked to Mike in a while. Maybe you should check in. Or think about an AI that helps people who struggle with social barriers practice conversations in a safe space. You see, when we use it wisely, technology can be a bridge to each other, not a wall between us. And this really is the core takeaway. AI can be a powerful assistant, a helpful tool, a fantastic support system. It can boost our social lives in some pretty incredible ways, but it just can't be the final destination. It can't replace our core human need for real, genuine connection with other people. Let that sink in for a second. An AI can help you navigate your life. It can give you directions, organize your calendar, even offer advice based on data. but it can't share life with you. It can't feel the warmth of the sun on its face with you or laugh with you until you cry. That's a uniquely human thing. So as we walk into this future that's going to be guided by smarter and smarter algorithms, this is the question we're left with. In a world that's pushing for digital perfection and efficiency, maybe the most powerful, the most human choice we can make is to deliberately and consciously choose each other, messiness and all.